If you want to iron your clothes, you can do it here, but you cannot put your iron. We have an iron here. Remember, never ever put it like this. Always do like this, otherwise it is going to burn this out. There is a sockets there. Before using the iron, you have to put the sheet here. You can use your own sheet if you want, otherwise we have a sheet here. You have to put a thick sheet. This is a thick sheet. You can put it here and then you can do iron. And before you use that, you have to make sure there is water inside. It opens from here like this, and then you can put some water here. There should be some water inside, and then you can choose your programs and then you can use. But the important thing is that don't iron on it. You have to have a sheet, and then you iron as much as you like, but never put the iron like this without your if you don't need it. Always put it like this. I hope you understand it. Thank you. If you like this video, please share this video to the whole world.